Welcome the our channel. Today we how to configure Premiere Pro for creating custom lower thirds templates, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open Adobe Premiere Pro and create a new project. Import your media files into the project panel. Drag your desired sequence to the timeline. Select the right text tool from the toolbar. Click in the program monitor where you want your lower third to appear. Type the text you want to use for your lower third. Highlight the text to access the Essential Graphics panel. Adjust the font, size, and color to match your project style. Position the text using the transform controls in the Essential Graphics panel. To create a background for your lower third, select the Rectangle tool from the Essential Graphics panel. Draw a rectangle behind your text to serve as a background shape. Modify the rectangle's properties, such as color and opacity, to enhance visibility. Group the text and the rectangle together by selecting both and clicking Group in the Essential Graphics panel. Now, click on the group to reposition it as a single unit in the program monitor. To save this as a template, select the group and click on Export as Motion Graphics Template in the Essential Graphics panel. Name your template and choose a location to save it. Add tags to improve organization and searchability. Click OK to save the custom lower third template for future use. To access your template, go to the Essential Graphics panel. Select the Browse tab to find your saved template. Drag the template onto your timeline when you need to use it. Adjust the text as necessary for each new video project. Ensure you save your project frequently to avoid any data loss. Experiment with different designs and effects for unique lower thirds each time. Your custom lower third template is now ready to enhance your videos. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.